Hello and welcome, it is Neil and Poppy. Today we are going to be showing you how to create a non-alcoholic Christmas hamper and how you can make your own and make sure that even without the alcohol, it is a fun and interesting gift to give at Christmas.
Okay, so even without the alcohol is like it's sort of like we sort of qualify it, you know, but
I think it's a go-to. People naturally gravitate towards it, and I think we should step away from it.
Yeah, well, that's interesting. Yeah, I would completely concur with that. I think that there's too much of it through society and whatever. There's nothing wrong with it. I like a glass of wine, same as anybody else, or like a beer or whatever. But I think the drinks industry has a huge multi-million, billion marketing operation in here. So let's try and offer something different from it.
I think at Christmas people buy in lots of alcohol to entertain, and they have their own types that they're going to enjoy, and I don't think there's the need to then include that as part of a gift as well.
I think for hampers, and these ones here are the non-alcoholic hampers, the non-alcoholic Christmas hampers. It's nice to come up with something which isn't just the bottle of spirits or the bottle of wine, and offer something particularly for those that don't drink.
Yeah.
And there's a significant percentage of the population, you probably find your generation as well, it's more and more people are identifying with, I'm not one to drink.
Yeah, I think people are now becoming more and more aware of, you know, what it can do to you.
The impact on your body. So anyway, we are designing here a non-alcoholic Christmas hamper, and we've got many of the components that you would expect to see in a Christmas hamper. We've got the peppermint, peppermint, and that's the great thing. Whenever you take out something like that, the alcohol, then you leave so much more budget for
expensive products. So yeah, we've got the kind of like mint chocolates, you know, synonymous with Christmas. What else have we got? We've got a lovely Christmas cake here. So we're
chocolate Viennese, peppermint tea, organic biscuits, waffles.
Yeah, so we have all of the things that we need to create a Christmas hamper. So what do we do first?
Well, first thing is we separate it into the levels that we want it to have. We've obviously chosen, this is an economical format, because we've done a few of our other videos where they're in the more fancier types of containers. So this is taking it down to the you know, like a print cardboard format here and whatever, just to show the full range of what constitutes a hamper. It can be in a box, it can be in a illustrious gift.
But it's about what's inside that really matters. So let's get to it.
So I have put into here, what I've actually done there at the very bottom of it is I've folded over a bit of
bubble
wrap or whatever, just to give it a little bit more.
Yeah, it doesn't have the same,
because it's a cardboard.
Yeah, as wicker, or the reinstated cardboard is a bit more protective. So as a precaution, we put in that bubble wrap and our crinkle cut paper.
Okay. And we put those in, and obviously what you're looking at here is this is the highest type of product, so you just simply put that to the top. Okay. You put the small. Yeah,
as these are our more shallower products.
That's your first layer.
Lovely, looks good.
Nice.
More paper.
Sense of mystery. It's nice to. It's nice rather than it just being one layer. I like things to be multi-layered. I like them to be in tiers, 2 or 3. I think it brings that sense of excitement.
Yeah, it does.
Things of unveiling or opening.
And there's like more to your gift. It's like you keep finding more things as you kind of take out that crinkle cut paper.
It's also the perfect way of it's the perfect dimensions in terms of, you know, portability as well.
Yeah.
You're not getting something which is too big, too heavy. You're just getting something which is compact and tasteful.
Good.
Clever design rather than artificially large design or trying to make something bigger.
So once you get to the stage that Neil is at, we pop the lid on. There we go. And we are going to tie our ribbon across the top. just to give it that nice finish on it. And then we've got our little ribbon there sitting beside me to finish it off. So it says Merry Xmas and it has some polar bears on it. What?
How many times have you tied a ribbon on these videos now?
So many. I don't think as many times if I've said hamper. Okay, so this is the finished look. If you've enjoyed this video and finding out about our non-alcoholic Christmas hampers, please do check out some of our other Christmas hampers, and thank you for watching.